Hi, my name is Anand and I'm here at All India Supermart. So today I'm going to tell you more about my recipe, Dosa spring roll. So for my recipe today, we are going to pick up some dosa batter, some vegetables for stuffing inside and some spices to go along with it. So now I'm at the dry ingredients section where I'm going to pick up a few spices like peanuts and other things for my recipe. So I think I'm done with the dry ingredients, and now we go down to the level 1 of All India Supermart where I can buy up my fresh vegetables for them. I like to shop here, because you get everything under one roof. I want electronics, I want stationery for my children, clothing, everything. It's all available here. So we are back from All India Mart now and in my kitchen. So we take some oil in the pan and just wait for it to warm up a little bit so the mustard seeds can crackle. So about a teaspoon of mustard seeds. We wait for them to crackle a little bit. So the mustard seeds are beginning to crackle now. So we can add a little bit of our onion, about 1 small onion chopped. Don't overcook it, it just needs to be a little golden so it's cooked. I think it's time now to add in our spices. Sambar powder, a little turmeric for color, coriander powder, some green chili if you like the spice and you can handle it, red chili powder and salt. You can give this a quick stir and then we can add the curry leaves. They give a very fresh, mild flavor to the dish, and at All India Supermart they're always very fresh. Since our spices are cooked now, we can just add the potato. Add a little water. Mix it up well. If you want, you could also press the potatoes down, mash them up a little bit because you're going to be stuffing them inside the dosa. Wow, look at that lovely color and the smell. My goodness, it's fantastic. Alright, the potatoes are almost done now. Garnish to them, which is the chopped coriander. And your stuffing for the dosa is ready. So now we will blend together the ingredients for the chutney. Our chutney is ready now and it's just the right consistency. I love to come to this place and go to the baking section because that is one place that really stirs up all my memories and very fond memories of my childhood because my mother used to bake a lot and that's where I get my baking skills from, and I try to do the same for my children.
I remember when I was 13 years old, she made a cake for my birthday. It was a surprise. I had no idea she's going to do it for me. She made an amazing cake with the zodiac sign of Taurus on the cake. My brother and I found the cake very delicious.
So now we're going to do a little bit of tempering for the chutney. Warm up the oil a little bit. When the oil is warm, we add the mustard seeds and as you see, they begin to crackle. A little bit of asafoetida and you can turn off the flame. And then just add a few curry leaves to it. Your tempering is ready and we just wait for a little while for it to cool down before we can add it to the chutney. So now I'm going to make the dosa and we'll stuff it with potato and then fry it like a spring roll. Just going to season it with a little bit of oil. Most South Indian homes in India would have this as breakfast or as a snack, and in my house it has turned into a spring roll. So our dosas are ready, so let's get on and do the stuffing now. So now I'm going to warm up some oil, heat it up to about a medium so we can deep fry the spring rolls. So now I'm going to put the chutney into these little serving glasses, and that's how I like to serve the spring rolls. Our dosas are ready, garnished and ready to be served to your guests. Thank you for coming to my kitchen and thank you for watching my stirring memories. This dosa spring roll recipe really worked for me. I hope you can try it and I hope it works for you too. I would also like to thank All India Supermart for giving me this opportunity to bring you all to my kitchen and share my memories with you.